हाय गाइस, दिस इज सोहेल सैयद फ्रॉम फिल्मी मंत्रा। और मेरी स्माइल देख के आपको लगता होगा मैं किसके साथ बैठा हूँ? हाँ, एनी गेसेस? द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस इन द हिस्ट्री, सोनाली बेंद्रे।
Wow, that's so sweet of you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। सो
I don't think it's beautiful, but I like it.
आफ्टर योर मूवी सरफरोश, योर बिगेस्ट फैन। बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा था आपको?
I like the tha on it.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. First of all, let me tell you that it's a fact. Who's in his 20s right now once dream about dancing around trees and singing songs with you.
You're very charming and flattering. But
Sharam aa gayi.
but I've gone past the age of dancing around trees.
Okay. So, how was that experience?
It was fun while it was there. It was great fun. I enjoyed it. It was great work, and it was not a career I'd expected for myself. But I think life throws amazing surprises, and they're wonderful. And I have nothing to complain about where that life is concerned.
Okay. So, I would like to dedicate one more for you. Here I go. होश वालों को समझिए सोनाली क्या चीज़ है. Okay, ma'am. So, as a lead actress, you have been away from films for a while. Do you miss it? No? Okay.
Because as a lead actress, as long as I'm expected to do what I was doing, I don't miss it. I've done it. I'm done with it. I'm in a different mental space. I'm in a different physical space. I have outgrown that stage, and so I'm looking at things that are different.
So, everyone loves you on television.
Do they?
Yeah. Whenever you are present in show as a judge, what is that best and worst thing about being a judge as such big events?
Well, first of all, I would say that television, if you're saying that everybody loves, I've loved the medium, the television as a medium. I was one of the first actresses to get onto that on, with Kya Masti Kya Dhoom really long ago. It was a talent show. It was that time in life when everybody always said that, people who didn't have work in films were doing television. And I was doing television after Sarfarosh and Hum Saath Saath. So there was no doubt about how much work I had in movies when I took on television. Really liked the concept, and so I was never the one to follow rules, and I enjoyed the medium. It took me into people's homes, and I think I have the audience that I have also because of television. It just keeps you more connected with your audience. And also what happened was that on television people saw me as Sonali, because when I judge, I'm Sonali. I'm not the character that I would play in a movie or something. So I was being myself. So I think if you say I'm liked, then it's Sonali who's being liked, which is amazing because it's like, wow, okay, they like me. And I think I've been very blunt and very honest as far as I can be, because I'm not playing a character over there. I'm being myself. So what I feel is what I'm saying, as much as far as I can do it. And I've really enjoyed it. Now this move of doing fiction on television is something different, because now I'm not going to be Sonali on television. I'm another character on television, and that's like a whole new ball game altogether. But that's interesting too.
Okay. So, for the first time, you have seen in television in Ajit Dastan movie. How did Ekta Rahul convince you?
Well, I would say that Ajit Thakur of life was very persistent, very sweet of him. But he was confident about me doing this role. He wanted me for this role, and I was not even willing to listen to it. He called up my husband and he said, "Why is your wife not listening to this? Please, I really want you to do this. He's come home," and he's really convinced me about it. And so I would say that the person who really did the convincing was Ajit Thakur.
So, how different are both industries?
Acting is acting, and it's lovely. The pleasure of acting or being an actor is that you can be various people. You can live different lives without actually bearing the consequences of living those lives or making those choices. That character is making the choices. So definitely as an actor there's a vicarious pleasure of living somebody else's life and going through those thoughts. That's amazing. So in that sense acting is the same. Yes, grammar is a bit different. No, I would say the grammar of both the mediums is a bit different. In movies I would probably do an emotion, feel the emotion, it will get over in a scene, maximum 2 scenes. In a serial, what would happen is that the same emotion will carry through a lot longer. It will be more described. There will be all the things that will go as a backstory and as a layer in a film can also become subplots and smaller scenes in a series. So in that sense, the grammar is different. Interesting.
So is Sonali ready to come back for any movie?
Well, honestly, too busy with this right now, and I don't think I have time to think of anything else for a while. And by the time I'm finished with this, with the way I've been working over here, I promise you, I need a really, really long break.
So what kids would you like to be aspiring actors or any actors?
I think the kids who come in today or the youngsters who are coming in today are far more prepared than I ever was. So really, honestly, I think I will take it soon. Honestly.
Any message for our viewers on Filmy Mantra?
Well, I would say that if, as Sohail says, you guys have been loving me so much. No, I agree with him actually. I do thank you all. There has been a lot of love that's come my way. And you've borne with a lot of really bad acting, really strange dressing, etc. in the past. So bear with me a little more, give me a little more love, and I would be very happy with that. For an artist, there's nothing more gratifying than getting the love from the audience, and if you can do that and continue with it, that's fine.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is Sohail signing off from filmymantra.com. Goodbye.